Hello and welcome to Gladys Cake Kitchen. Today I'm decorating this Christmas themed unicorn cake topped with Christmas themed element. This cake was rather simple to put together, and with Christmas a few days away, I hope you can pick yourself some useful tips to help you on your own cake decorating journey. To start with filling and layering the cake, a thin cake card is attached to a cake board serving as our cake decorating surface. The card is glued to the surface using ganache, and some ganache is placed over the card and spread thinly as glue to hold the first layer of cake in place. This cake is a red velvet and Oreo layer cake made from my red velvet layer cake recipe with added chunks of Oreo cookies. The cake will be filled with Oreo Swiss meringue buttercream. With the first layer of cake in place, a generous amount of Oreo buttercream is placed in the middle and spread out thinly using an offset spatula dipped in warm water. Once done, the second layer of cake is placed, but sadly, this layer of cake is broken. I realize though I have to apply caution and be very gentle with this cake so to avoid a cake decorating crisis. Now, talking about cake decorating crisis, I've had a few on this channel which are set in a playlist for you. Through these videos though, hopefully you will be handed foolproof tips to help you fix any cake decorating issues that may arise. The second layer of cake is put and shifted into place, and the cake is filled again with buttercream before the third layer is added. Filling and layering is done, and the side of the cake is cleaned off any excess buttercream. The cake is set to chill, and now it's time to crumb coat. Crumb coating cake decorating is a simple practice of applying a layer of buttercream on a cake to seal in all the crumbs. So for this cake, a generous layer of buttercream is spread over the entire cake and any excess scraped off using a cake scraper. This one here is my PME stainless steel 9-inch scraper, which I highly recommend if you're a beginner looking for an investment into simple decorating tools. The cake board is cleaned, and that's crumb coating done. The cake will be left to chill and back later with more layers of buttercream. Chilling the cake also allows the crumb coat to set, holding the crumbs in place, which I like to think of as a priming phase in makeup or painting. The cake returns after chilling with another layer of buttercream applied on top and spread around, covering the entire cake. Again, the side is scraped clean, but the process of achieving a clean, level cake is a repetitive process of adding and scraping off any excess buttercream, which is done here. Some parts of this cake has spots, for which I fill in with buttercream and scrape clean for a polished look. The gathering of buttercream on top of the cake is intentional to add to a rustic looking cake. Our cake is now polished and transferred over onto a fondant covered board ready for decoration, first with a barbecue skewer making holes on top of the cake. Some pre-made fondant unicorn ears are placed into the top of the cake, and the golden reindeer antlers are added. Our decorations are kept rather simple, with some piping details of red buttercream which serves as the mane of the unicorn. Added to this are some red roses and Christmas themed flowers to match the theme of Christmas. If you're new here though, hello and welcome. My name is Gladys, and over here I make simple, informative tutorials to help you navigate cake decorating easily. So hello again and Merry Christmas. If it's your first time here, do consider subscribing, hit the notification bell to be notified of videos such as these and more. Do not forget to like and share this video with any beginner who enjoys cake decorating. Now, with all that said, the unicorn eyes are added and our cake is done, and here we have a Christmas themed unicorn cake decorated with Christmas themed flowers and reindeer antlers. If this cake is rather too advanced and you would prefer something simple, I have a selection of videos made simple for Christmas season in a Vlogmas playlist showing on screen, which also includes this red velvet cupcakes showing on screen right now. Tap to watch, and I'll see you in my next video. Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching.